Eva-dry E-333 Renewable Dehumidifier, easy to use. This mini dehumidifier is spill and mess free. Just hang and go. Non-toxic, child and pet safe. Your small rooms will be dry and odor free. Works for areas up to 333 cubic feet. Mini dehumidifier goes a long way. Super dry dehumidifier unit lasts 20-30 days before recharging the silica gel beads. Absorbing capacity up to 6 ounces small. 2. Pro Breeze dehumidifiers for home, small and compact. Lightweight, compact and portable dehumidifiers for home, capable of removing up to 9 ounces of water per day with a 17-ounce water tank capacity. Ideal size dehumidifier for rooms of 1,200-2,200 cubic feet, removes 9 ounces of moisture per day. Our dehumidifiers for home are ideal in small spaces and room sizes up to 225 square foot. When full, the dehumidifier will automatically shut off and the LED light will turn on indicating the water tank needs draining. Ultra quiet. DampRid Refillable Moisture Absorber, attracts and traps moisture. DampRid refillable moisture absorbers are convenient 10.5-ounce cups that attract and trap excess moisture out of the air. Eliminates damp, musty odors. DampRid eliminates odors by absorbing excess moisture that creates damp, musty smells. Great for use in a bathroom, laundry room, kitchen, closet, home gym, and any space where excess moisture is an issue. 4. VAC Plus. VACPLUS Moisture Absorber Boxes, efficient dehumidification. The 6.1 by 3.3 by 4.1 inches VAC Plus Moisture Absorber uses spherical calcium chloride to enlarge the absorbing area and traps excess moisture quickly. The large collecting capacity of this moisture remover keeps a long time dry. Free your nose. VAC Plus Moisture Eliminator is fragrance-free. No more worries about the unpleasant smell from the box around you. Premium quality. To prevent water leakage. Gocheer upgraded dehumidifier for home, high-efficiency dehumidifier. Equipped with a 2,000 ml water tank, it can quickly and effectively remove up to 1,000 milliliters of moisture from air per day. Improve the environmental quality and make your home more comfortable and healthier every moment. Compact and portable, lightweight and portable, this home dehumidifier is suitable for different rooms. 6. SEAVON Dehumidifier 35 ounces dehumidifiers for home 2,500 cubic feet. With 7-color LED light. High-efficient dehumidification. SEAVON Portable Dehumidifier with 35 ounces capacity tank extracts up to 16 ounces of water daily in a humid environment of 86 degrees Fahrenheit and 80% RH. With powerful efficiency for removing the moisture in the air and making your home more comfortable. Colorful night lights and auto shut-off. Electric dehumidifier has 7 changing lights. This bedroom dehumidifier creates a sweet and romantic sleeping atmosphere for you. Auto shut-off function to prevent the water from overflowing.